right, here we got a 1083 8-row 30-inch torque head. Looks to me like it's got knife rolls and they're in decent shape. Sheet metal spare. It's got these stock stompers on it. We left them right here. We'll just leave them set on the head. We might tuck them in the edge, but the auger looks decent. It's got the poly where they coated it where the stuff will feed better. But the knife rolls really look decent in this thing. They're straight. They're not wore off on the bottom. It don't appear. I just felt one of them. They're pretty darn sharp. Sheet metal's pretty decent on this head. There's a few little welded spots as usual on these older heads. It is a dual shaft head. We have the end of the shafts laying right here. I'm gonna have them in the picture, but I'm gonna tuck them right down in here, okay? Behind that auger. But these are with it at this current time. Just they won't hardly stay on if you go to move the head. So there's the other half of the shaft. And but pretty straight 8-row narrow head.